Question number 42 is a little picture detail question. It's focusing around the tone of the paragraph. Can, may, could. You can see it here. Can, may, could. And it seeks to establish a tone of what I thought in proposal stage. The authors have basically described a phenomenon that's going on, and we postulate at least, we further postulate that maybe potentially something might happen. It's basically all tentative tone. They don't know whether or not their hypothesis is correct because they're still in the proposal stage. They're still trying to figure out exactly whether or not their hypothesis is correct. They're proposing a test, which means they haven't carried out the test yet. So they might be optimistic. Well, I don't know, not really optimistic. It's not an optimistic tone, even though the scientists themselves might be optimistic that their hypothesis is correct emotionally. At this stage, they really don't know. They're hopeful, of course, that their hypothesis might be correct, but that's not why they use the words can, may, and could. Dubious tone is a doubtful tone, and the usefulness of the research, they are very confident about their hypothesis. They just don't know whether or not it's true. So they're not doubtful about very much. They're not doubtful of their techniques. They're not doubtful of the legitimacy of their science. They know what they're doing. They just need to figure out whether or not their hypothesis is correct, which is what scientists do all the time. A tentative tone, it makes clear the authors suspect but do not know that their hypothesis is correct. They believe that they're correct, but they just need to test it. So it's kind of a wait-and-see tentative tone. Critical tone, no, they're not trying to uproot any other theories. They're not trying to disprove other things.